Okay, so we are up in the tower, and we're going to look around. It is pretty cool. Now we're indoors now, but we will go upstairs, and we'll do a video upstairs for you. If you look, that's downtown. I'm going to try to utilize the fabulous zoom feature. That's like the, it's kind of a convention spot, I believe. There's the rest of downtown. It's a plaza. All the way down Fremont Street. It's the D. I believe that's the El Cortez, where we were just a couple of days ago. So, but you can, as they say in the song, see for miles and miles. Not as much to see out that way. So, that's downtown. We'll walk around and just kind of take in the whole thing. Now, there's one of those revolving restaurants on the top, so it's not inexpensive. Some people say it's pretty good, but you know, as usual, these sort of revolving restaurants are really more about the revolving and typically less about the food. So you can see pretty much the entire Las Vegas Valley. Everyone else is on the other side looking at the Strip, and we're headed that way. If we go over here, we'll be able to see what we used to call the Las Vegas Hilton. Before that, the International. But there it is. That is the West Gate now. And now we are looking straight down Las Vegas Boulevard. You can kind of see the SLS. If I could zoom in, you can see the SLS, maybe. Maybe. It's right there. And that large blue building is the never completed Fontainebleau Hotel, which, when it is completed, and it's going to be, actually be the tallest hotel tower in town. There's the circus back there. Trump Tower. Treasure Island, Fashion Show Mall, Wynn. All the way down to Mandalay Bay. And out beyond that, there's the airport. When you see it from the sky, you realize how big it is. Okay, this guy's gonna do this bungee jump thing. I don't know how much of it we can see. I think he's going to go out on this little platform. So we'll you can see him back there, all strapped in, and he's headed out there. And I don't know if this platform just collapses or if he jumps. That's the important part, attaching the cord. You see some of the supports there. But someone's definitely doing it. I don't think I'd even want to go out there and retrieve the bungee cord. It's kind of a long ways down. Special bonus video. There he is. Getting ready to go. And there he goes. And we quickly lost sight of him. Well, he lived, so there you go. That's what it's like to bungee jump off the Stratosphere. If you enjoyed this, you'll really like the rest of these videos. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel.